What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Kinda gotta be quiet right now because Tatiana back there asleep. Y'all can't see it, but yeah. Hopefully I don't wake up. But got another video. One of the last shirts. Let me show y'all the shirt real quick. But hold on, before we get into that, make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend, so we can keep growing. So, but yeah, make sure y'all comment, turn on posts, notifications, all that other stuff so we can get big, grow, show the world who J Supreme is and all that other stuff. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna be done editing this video. Try to be done today, cause y'all already know I gotta use a laptop and stuff now since I got a camera. But yeah, and I'm sorry, I keep rambling. I think I got another Travis Scott shirt too. It wasn't a little McDonald's shirt, but I think I lost that bit because I cannot find it. I've been looking for it for the longest. I cannot find it. It's one of the little McDonald's shirt. It wasn't that much. It was like $30, but still, it's a whole video that I'm missing out on because I lost it. It's somewhere in the room. But yeah, haven't opened this one. But y'all can see the shirt. Let me take this out real quick. And if y'all, I know people come like, bro, or like text me on Instagram or whatever. Bro, what size you get your shirts, whatever. I'm not that big. I weigh like I say like 160. I ain't weighing myself in a minute, but I weigh like 160, somewhere around that area. And I'm short, I'm 5'9", so I get my shirts in a medium, sometimes a small, depending on how big the shirt run. But yeah, y'all can see this bit of medium. Cover this up. Oh, this bit got a focus. Yeah, y'all can see another Travis Scott shirt, a Kaws, to match my shoes. It's a video on my channel. It's old. I think I made it like a year ago. I barely wear them shoes. So I don't wear them like 3 times. But yeah, shirt wasn't that much. Just $66. You know, just some slight. But here go the shirt. Got your little StockX, little sticker. I always get it. Sometimes they give a picture, other times they don't. This bitch look, this thing look big in the mug, but yeah. Y'all can see the shirt. Let me go back some. Hope the lighting coming out good. The ring light up out, but yeah. Here go the bag. I ain't gonna lie, this bit is hard on me. It look a little big though. But yeah. Finna try this on, show y'all how it fit, all the other stuff. So yeah, give me like 2 seconds. As y'all can see, the shirt, it fit. It ain't that big, it look big. But yeah, it's the frame, it's the back. And I like how I got all the little like it's everywhere, all on the shirt. My other Kaws shirt in the washer, cause I did wear it yesterday. I would. Hold on. Give me like 1 second again. I think I'll get the other shirts out. I don't know what's wrong with the camera. I think I gotta do something in the settings cause it'll start recording or it'll just, I don't know, the battery get hot or wet. But I hope not, cause I spent $1,000 on the camera. I really don't need it to mess up. But this shirt, it is in the washer. So I'm not gonna lie, it's over with. It's over with. But probably when I get paid again, I'm probably gonna buy some shoes, make a little shoe video. It's this dude in Grenada. I think he from Grenada. They look like some dunks, but they not some dunks. And they got like a little broken heart on it. I'm gonna do a review on them hoes. Them shoes are so hard. On their website, they said it's gonna take like 4 weeks to come in. So that video gonna be a minute whenever I order it. But yeah, probably gonna make a vlog until I order something else. But I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out, make something work, cause I need more ideas to keep videos going so I can stay consistent and everything. But that's basically the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Another short little 6-7 minute video. But again, this the shirt. I hope y'all like it. I like it. $66, that was well spent. Probably gonna, I don't know, I gotta find a fit, take a picture. And I gotta start buying pants too. I stay getting shirts. And yeah, just shirts. And I got all these shirts and I only like fucking free. Yeah, I'm gonna bleep that out. But yeah, I got all these shirts and I don't got nothing but like, I'd say like 4 pair of jeans, right? Joggers, shorts, and stuff like that. It's all lit. But yeah, like the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment. Y'all need to comment down there and tell me what type of stuff y'all want to see. Cause I'm really like, I'm clueless right now. That's why I just keep doing these. Cause again, videos, past videos on my channel, where I don't put stuff up. I mean, this would be getting me views. The little views I am getting right now. So I'm just gonna keep doing that till y'all, you know, comment something y'all want to see. But yeah, see y'all on the next video. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this edited as fast as I can. But yeah, see y'all on the next video.
Baby, what you wishing for?